Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'm gonna create incredible, super simple but super tasty, classic cucumber salad with sour cream and onion. Check all ingredients that we need to create this extremely delicious salad. Amigos, extremely delicious cucumber salad is landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit very much. This salad goes fantastic with all kinds of meat. For me, the best is with fried chicken. Number one. Alright.